Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss about the factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. What happened here? Okay, to factor no, the sum and difference of two cubes, no? First thing to do is to get the cube roots of the first and last terms. Okay? Then copy the sign that separates between two terms and enclose it in parentheses to make your first factor. And then get the square of the first and last terms from your first factor. Then multiply the first and last terms to make it trinomial. And if the sign of your first factor is positive, then signs of the second factor is minus or negative and followed by positive. And if the sign of your first factor is negative, then the signs of the second factor are all positive. Now, enclose the trinomial in parentheses to make us your second factor. Now, let us have an example. We have a cube plus b cube. So what should we do here? How can we find the factors of a cube and b cube? Plus b cube. Again, first thing to do, sabi doon, get the cube root of a of the first term, no? Magkaiba yung square root tsaka yung cube root. So square root, no? Let's say for example, if you are going to find the square root of 9, the square root is 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. In cube root, 3 na, no? So if you are going to get the cube root of 27, so hanapin mo yung 3 factors na pare-parehas the number. Then if we add these 3 factors, lalabas si 27. Okay, and that is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore, the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay? So, ganun din dito. Okay? We have cube root of a cube. What is the cube root of a cube? We have a because a times a is a cube. Okay? Tatlong beses dito sa cube root eh. And then for b cube naman, for b cube, we have b. No? Okay, B. And then copy the sign no, doon sa given which is plus. So plus natin yan. Then enclose in parenthesis. Then now, di pa dyan nagtatapos. Unang factor pa lang natin yan. Dapat kasi 2 factors yan eh. Now, yung pangalawa, now what should we do for the first? I get the square of the first term from here. Yung A natin, i-square natin, we have A raised to 2 is A squared. Okay? And then for last term naman, yung B, no, i-square natin, we have b squared. Then nilalagay natin siya sa pinakadulo. So meron pa tayong space dito, no, another term yan. So to find the middle term here, we will multiply A and B. We have AB. So AB yan. Now what would be the sign here? Kung plus to, sabi pag plus to, it will followed by minus and then plus, alternate. Kung plus dito, minus plus, then enclose in parenthesis. Okay? Another one here. We have 2x cubed minus 27. Okay? So first thing to do, get the cube root of 8x cubed. So 8, ano yung cube root ng 8? Mag-try tayo. 1 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1 pa rin. Hindi pwede si 1. 2. Try natin si 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. Dapat tatlong beses yon is 8. So pasok si 8 kay 2. So yung cube root ni 8 is 2. How about kay x cubed? X lang. Now we have 2x here. For 27, lagay natin 2x dito. For 27, cube root of 27, now kung si 8 for 2, try natin si 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. Sabi ko dapat tatlong beses yon is 27. Therefore, the cube root of 27 is 3. So, lagay natin si 3 dito sa baba. Then, minus, enclose in parenthesis. Next, get the square of the first term from here. No? Yung square ng 2x is 2x times 2x is 4x squared. So 4x squared dito. Then square naman ni 3. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 naman dito. Then multiply natin to. 2x times 3. Okay? Regardless ng sign ha. 2x times 3 is 6x. Okay? So 6x dito. And then ano yung sign dito in between 4x squared and 6x and 6x and 9? Ano yung sign dito? Kung minus dito, followed by plus, no? So lahat plus na dito pag minus dito. Then enclosed in parenthesis. Okay? Next. Okay, for 8x cubed, 8x raised to 6 minus 27y cubed. Again here, get the cube root of 8x raised to 6. Now, for 8, automatic to na. Just like that we did dun sa number 2, yung 8, the cube root of 8 is 2. Sa x raised to 6 naman, okay, sa x raised to 6, kapag kinukuha natin yung cube root, ibig sabihin yung exponent natin dito na 6, i-divide natin by 3. So 6 divided by 3, we have 2. So we have 2x squared here. Okay? The next, 27. Now, cube root of 27y cube. Again, for 27, that is 3. And then y cube is 3. So 3y here. I mean, y cube is y. Now, so we have 3y here. Then, ano yung sign? Minus dito, kopyahin natin. Next, in closing parenthesis. Next, get the square of the first term. So, yan yung square ng 2x squared. 2x squared raised to 2 is equal to 2x squared times 2x squared. That would be equal to 4x raised to 4. So 4x raised to 4 yan. For 3y, square ng 3y is 9y squared. So we have 9y squared here. Then multiply. 2x squared, ito ha, ito yung multiply natin ha, hindi ito. Ito yung multiply ha, from the first factor. 2x squared times 3y is equal to 6x squared y. No? Because 2 times 3, 6. Copy yung x squared, copy yung y. So yung gitna, 6x squared y. Ano yung sign? Minus dito, so followed by 2 positive signs. No? Then enclosed in parentheses. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. No? Find the factor for x cubed minus 64. Okay? Get the cube root of x cubed. We have x. Cube root of 64, we have 4. Paano naging 4? Try natin. 4 times 4. 16. So 16 times 4 ulit, dapat tatlong beses yan, tatlong 4 yan, is 64. No? You can use calculator here. No? Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. Then, enclose natin in parenthesis to. Ay, no, mamaya pa. No? Nag-shortcut eh. Okay, get the square of x. We have x raised to 2. We have x squared. Get the square of 4. We have 16. Then, multiply natin x times 4. X times 4 is 4x. Then, now for the first term, x minus 4, then x squared, then 16 here, then 4x here, then puro plus naman kasi nga minus yung una. So ito yung magiging factor natin. Next, number 2. We have 8x cubed plus 125. Okay? Cube root of 8x cubed, we have 2x. Because 8 is 2, x cubed is x. What about for 125? Cube root of 125. Oh, try natin 5. 5 times 5, 25. Another 5 ulit. 25 times 5 is equal to 125. So 5 yung cube root ng 125. And then, get the square of 2x. We have 4x squared. Square of 5, we have 25. Factor of 2x and 5, that is 10x. So here, we have 2x plus 5. Okay, enclosed in parentheses. Then we have 4x squared, 25 here, then 10. Okay, since plus 2, followed by minus, and then plus. Okay, so the factors are 2x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 25. Next, number 3, we have x raised to 9 plus 8y cubed. Okay, factors of x raised to 9 is x cubed. Y. Ito, variable to, exponent naman tong 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Next, factors, cube root of 8y cubed, we have 2y. Now, square x cubed square, or x cubed times x squared is, x cubed times x cubed is x raised to 6. For 2y naman, we have 4y squared. Product of x cubed times 2y, product niya is 2x cubed y. No? X cubed times 2y is 2x cubed y. Now, in closing parenthesis, yung x cubed, 2y, plus, kasi plus yung given, in closing parenthesis, for x raised to 6, ito yon, first term siya ng second factor. 4y squared, ito yung last term. 2x cubed, y, ito yung second term. Then kung plus to, followed by minus, then plus ulit. Okay, ito yung magiging factor niya. Okay, that's it. No? So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, that's all. I mean yung quiz and assignment yun na pala to be follow. Okay? So that's all. Goodbye and God bless.